Good morning. Last night we were checking our Stripe dashboard and it turns out that we had 20 declined payments. So we immediately knew that there is a fraud case. Somebody's trying to hack into our system and use it to test stolen cards to see which one works. So we'll have to spend some time today trying to write some checks on the back end to try to block those fraudsters, but ensure that we don't block genuine customers.
We're actually leaving Thailand in the next couple of days, so we're trying to declutter and put stuff into storage whilst also dealing with the fraud. So I'd say the fraud thing is probably the worst possible timing, but what can you do? I wish we could tell you where we are going next, but we don't actually know ourselves yet. So we'll continue with the decluttering, but first, breakfast.
We already knew about this niche being susceptible to fraud beforehand, so we had Stripe Radar enabled, and I think honestly it absolutely saved our ass here. We had at least 3 or 4 different hackers trying to sabotage our system.
Okay, we are taking a break for now. We are going to put on some clothes and go for a run on the beach and then to the little gym downstairs for a quick gym session. What's really nice is that in Thailand, most condos have gyms downstairs. So we used to go to a bigger gym complex just outside of the condo, but we just found that we don't tend to stick to it as much. Right, so it looks like our rate limiting has worked because the 2 hackers have now tried to return and they have been blocked, but also so has a genuine customer.
And it also looks like we've done a great job at capturing the repeat transactions, but unfortunately the way Stripe Radar works, it's looking for patterns. So to be able to look for patterns, it cannot block the first transaction. So we've got at least 3 cases of needing to refund the customers in full because we just don't want a chargeback. And then we'll have to do some more work in trying to improve our rate limiting such that we don't block genuine customers. So still quite a bit of work left to do on this.
Alright, so now we are back to getting rid of our stuff to declutter. It's not easy, to be honest, and it's quite emotional every time. So we've just come for an evening walk to the beach, as we usually do, and we thought we would take you with us. It's very peaceful, but there isn't much light, so you might not be able to see anything. So with the fraud thing, initially we felt like victims and we were really upset, but then we'd realized that the fact that scammers are discovering us is actually probably a very good sign. It means that we are rising in the rank and catching attention.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think at first we were very afraid because we knew absolutely nothing about cybersecurity. But then we just learned together with Claude, and it did give a few interesting ideas, but it's not very good at thinking outside the box. So it still had to be us logically thinking through different possible combinations, and eventually it was us designing the final solution. So when you combine the best of human and Claude Code, that's when you actually can tackle even the scariest problems.
Yeah, so to conclude, don't be afraid, you will figure it out.
Bye bye.
Good night.